Cardano price prediction. We are still seeing the cup and handle setup as a valid bullish signal, despite the handle extending dramatically to the right in sideways. Downward price action. We have to see if we can get support from 1.15577 to 1.22749 and climb above the 1.297806 point. If you move down from the 1.15577 point, you need a short stop loss. However, it may rise along the uptrend line, so careful trading is necessary. The next volatility period is around March 29 in my opinion. ADA must ensure that it is supported by the 2097 Satoshi. It remains to be seen if there is any movement deviating from the 1683 Satoshi to 2511 Satoshi section due to volatility around March 25. In particular, it remains to be seen if it can break off the downtrend line and get support at 2217 Satoshi. If it fails in the 1545 Satoshi to 1683 Satoshi section, stop loss is required to preserve profit and loss. Cardano has been racking in profits brought about by its listing on various exchanges. The recent listing on Coinbase has managed to push its price up and the altcoin may be on its way to witness another surge. At the time of this video, ADA was valued at $1.21 while its market capitalization of $40.29 billion pushed it on the 4th spot in the CoinMarketCap list. Cardano price eyes a higher high. Cardano price started its recovery on February 23, which pushed it 85% to a new all-time high at $1.486. As the investors taking profits around this zone, it has become a formidable supply barrier. The second run-up faced the same fate after 48% climb, which creates a flat resistance level. We can find a ascending triangle pattern by drawing trend lines along the higher lows and the horizontal supply barrier. And this will allow us to see a setup forecast at 45% upswing. And this is the distance between the first reaction high and low from the breakout point at $1.48. So a decisive daily candlestick close above $1.48 will confirm the breakout and propel ADA to $2.16. And most important fact is this level coincides with the 127.2% Fibonacci retracement level. If we look at the Cardano 6-hour chart, we can say ADA value has been spiking and has not plunged under its immediate support. ADA held on to $1.24 support and has been trading above this point. This consolidating price may witness a price swing higher and test the resistance of $1.36. So what are the reasons? The parabolic SR indicator suggested that the price was building higher in the market. You need to know that the markers that were aligned under the candlesticks are now moving above the candlesticks due to the selling pressure that is taking place. The 50 moving average has remained under the price bars, and that was a sign of the upward trending price. The relative strength index, which is known as RSI, suggested that the current price could be the stable level for the ADA traders. The indicator was in the overbought zone, but it had sunk to the equilibrium zone, highlighting the sell-off that took place after the asset hit the overbought zone. So now the buyers are once again trying to flood the market. The awesome oscillator that was seeing a drop in momentum has now witnessed a rising momentum, and that is an interesting situation. The development of a green bar taller than the red candles indicated that the bulls were not going to let the market go the bears easily. So what are the crucial levels? I would say the entry level is $1.28, take profit $1.37, stop level $1.23, risk to reward $1.67. So we can say the current Cardano market has been witnessing a push and pull from the traders. The bearishness was creeping in. The bulls are not completely out yet. If the bulls continue to fight, the price may witness a swing and traders can take profit at $1.37. So this is not a trading advice or any financial advice. This is just personal opinion and speculation. So and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.